Welcome to quilting time. Peter has 5 yards of fabric to make a quilt. He needs to cut his fabric into 1/4 yard pieces. How many 1/4 yard pieces will he have? Let's grab our pen and we are going to circle our numbers with our labels. We are going to underline our question. We're wondering how many pieces. And we're going to box in. I'm going to box in this word cut. That tells me I'm going to break the 5 yards of fabric into pieces. Now take a moment to estimate how many 1/4 yard pieces do you think he will have in that 5 yards of fabric? Here's a little visual for you. As you can see, there's Peter with his 5 yards of fabric. And he's going to snip, 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 and so that each piece is 1/4 yard long. So here's Peter again, a little bit of a close-up. He has 5 yards of fabric, and I broke the fabric into the 5 yards. Peter needs to cut his fabric into 1/4 yard pieces. And how many 1/4 yard pieces will he have? So I'm going to show you, there's our first yard, and Peter's going to, this is a full yard. He wants 1/4 yard pieces. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and there's his 4th quarter. And then he's going to do that here, and here, and here, so that each piece is 1/4 yard long. So does our answer make sense? Did we answer the question being asked? Our label is not yards. It asks for how many pieces. So your label should be pieces of fabric. Now compare your answer to your estimate. If you came out with 600 pieces of fabric, that doesn't seem reasonable. If you came out with 1/2 of a piece of fabric, well, that doesn't really make sense either.